All right, guys, welcome to episode 5 of our hard difficulty vanilla Valheim Call to Arms playthrough. And in that last one, we actually did quite a bit of farming. We got a lot of copper, made our cart, and we made some bronze tools. So today, I just want to get into some more of those burial chambers and maybe think about looking towards fighting the Elder. So let's get into it. It looks like our smelter is empty, so I want to remedy that. And we're about out of coal. We have just the right amount, though, thankfully. Yep, so we're going to need to get some more of that. I have 3 carrot seeds in my inventory, so I'm going to go ahead and plant some more carrots. Our garden's starting to get pretty big now. So yeah, that's all done. I'm sitting here with 8 bronze, so let's see what we are going to use it on. We have 2 options. We can either do the bronze buckler, because we'll have enough copper, or we'll have enough bronze here in just a second. Or we can go for the bronze mace. Now, I'm kind of wanting to do the bronze mace, to be honest, for multiple reasons. For one, I can already make it. So I think I'm going to do that. And for 2, I want to keep leveling up my mace skills. I might switch after, like, the swamp or something, but at least up until the swamp, it's, like, the best weapon type. Honestly, the maces are just really good in general. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Make that bronze mace. That's doing 35 blunt damage, whereas the axe is doing 35 slash, but is way slower. So, yeah. Pretty happy with that. Let's go find some more burial chambers. All right. We made it to our next burial chambers. It's kind of in the snow, which means it's almost all the way up into the mountains. But it's not quite up there. Oh, that skeleton's chasing something. I'm assuming it's a deer. They like to do that. And I should probably fix the mark for this burial chamber, since I'm right on top of it now. Yep, there goes that deer running away from the skeleton. So let's get into it. Man, this guy's sleeping. This should be a huge upgrade from last time. Looks like we're already one-shotting skeletons, which is awesome. I'm just gonna speed run through this pretty much. Oh, I didn't even see that guy. Alright, well, we're getting swarmed, so I'm gonna switch to the stag breaker. I think I upgraded the stag breaker since last time I did one of these too. So that's nice. Go ahead and switch back. Oh. There's quite a few of them. Probably a spawner in here or something. Yep, there it is. Oh, I thought there was. Maybe not. That was weird. Gonna go ahead and close that door behind me so I'm not getting surrounded by them. And as per usual, I'm gonna stick on this left wall. Oh, look at that. We have a nice little loot room in here. Nothing too crazy. No Certling cores yet, which is really what we're after. And now we can go to this other side. More loot. Oh, and nice, a Surtling core. So that puts us up to 10 overall. We can finally put down a second smelter if we want. Which I don't know if we should or not. Just because we have to keep up with the wood production if we do that. But it's an option. Nice. Another Surtling core. That brings us up to 2 from this dungeon alone. Quite a bit of loot in this one. Valuables wise. Oh, I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of them in here. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to the Stag Breaker preemptively. Oh, so they're going to be in here. Where are they at? I'm hearing them. Oh. I don't like that. So I'm going to close the door. Hit them through the door. They came out of nowhere. Close that door. And then we're able to kill them safely. Get that last guy. And this room's cleared. That's already 2 1-stars from this place so far. Oh, and there's nothing down here. That's fine. We already got a Surtling core from that area. Now we'll run back. I never got the loot from this one. What is that? Amber on the ground. We'll keep going. So far we haven't seen any of those big rooms like we did with that last one we were in. But we're getting quite a bit here and there. And that's this place cleared now. That was pretty easy, especially with those new weapon upgrades we got. Alright, did I clear this side? Surely I did. Yeah, I cleared that side. So that's that one done. Go ahead and mark that one off. And head to our next one. Oh, there's a 2-star Great Orf. Get him with the bow before he sees us. Why can't we pick up this wood? Oh, we're full. We have no slots left. Well, I'd rather have the wood than the stone right now, so... I only got that +1 from our farming skill. Pretty nice. I see 2 deer over there. Hey man, what are you doing? Yeah, you'll see that damage is actually a gray number, which means that my damage type isn't effective. Oh, he got one of them. Oh! That scared me. I kind of do want to try to fight him. Okay, no, I don't want to try to fight him anymore. That parry did not work. I'm going to hop inside because inside the burial chamber is safer than being out here with him. Oh, that was scary. I'm going to sneak up on this skeleton. Oh, never mind. I could probably parry, but I don't want to risk it. So it seems like there's a spawner in there. From the amount that we're getting coming out here. Hide. There we go. So we'll go ahead and clear this one out before it becomes too troublesome. Where are they coming from? Is it in here? Well, if there was one, it's not here anymore. Oh, that was a lot of them. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep putting away the... What is that? Oh, a skeleton trophy. I don't care too much about those. But I'm just gonna put away the stag breaker whenever I don't need it. Because it is huge and it blocks your view. I don't like that. Make sure there's nothing on the ground. Oh, that was a big chest. Oh, I see a Surtling core. Nice. Alright, get the stag breaker back out. See if there's any spawners in here. And no, there are not. So I'm going to go over here. This is a dead end. Check this side. Oh. We just one-shot 3 of them at once because they couldn't see us. There's some amber on the ground there too. There's another guy. Just more mushrooms. Make sure we didn't lose anything on the ground there. So we're going into a new wing. Well, this is the same wing, I guess. Just a new part of the side we're in. Oh, this place looks promising. Oh, archer. Dodge that. More loot. Well, so far this one hasn't been the greatest for Surtling cores, but it's given us lots of loot. Oh, and that was the entire middle. Oh, that sucks. Hopefully the right side is better. That's all of them. I can see them through the door. Just like I can see the evil bone pile I just broke. Oh, there we go. This is what I'm talking about. That's much better. What is that, 4? Nice. It almost gave us a full stack off of this adventure. Oh, and then we're getting the amber pearls there. We haven't found any of those yet. I'll drop the deer meat. We have a lot of deer meat right now. And I can always go hunting for more deer if I need to. Oh, we have a stack of amber. I guess I'll put back that 4 wood as well. And then I lost my rested buff, so I think this place is clear. Yeah, it is. So I'm going to go ahead and get going. Head back to the base. Especially with it turning nighttime. Oh, I see another skeleton over here. Makes me think there's another burial chamber. If that's the case, I want to find it. Just so I can come back later. Well, I don't see it. So I'm just going to continue on my way. I did find a patch of blueberries. I think I've already marked this one though. It's good to be foraging on your way from and to places. That way you don't have to actually make specific trips for foraging, because it can be pretty annoying. Oh, and there's that bear. I would try to fight him again, but I don't have the rested buff anymore, and that's pretty important. So we're just going to avoid him for now. I also don't have room for these thistle, so I'm not going to grab them. Yeah, we're starting to get quite the collection of valuables now. So that's pretty nice. Oh yeah, this is where that troll, or I fought that troll that one time. That's why that chunk of the rock is gone. Oh, there's another bear there. That's the 1-star. Oh, that's a brute. And everything over here wants to kill me. Let our stam bar fill up to half, because if you didn't know, your stamina will regen to half faster than it will the rest of the way. I just recently learned that. So once it gets past half, it'll slow down just a little bit on regen. Is that a skeleton in there? That is. The skeleton and this great orc will fight if they see each other. Oh wow, how did he not see me? Alright. Take care of this guy. And that brute is chasing around that skeleton. I am going to put everything up and get some more stuff going, like my farming and my forage, before I go to sleep. So I do have the cultivator on me. Go ahead and harvest these other 2 carrots. I don't want to plant these ones yet. I kind of want to get all my stuff on the same schedule, because they're on very different schedules right now, and I don't like that. I'd like to just come out here and collect everything at once. Hope I accidentally took that stack of Queen's Jam. So I'm going to fix that, and then I'll be able to put these yellow mushrooms up now. And it looks like our chests are getting pretty full. Might have to make some more chests soon. So I'll just mix this in here. And what is that, a full stack of feathers somewhere? Yeah, it is. I was wondering why those wouldn't stack. And then I'll put my metals back outside. Alright. Well, let's get back to sleep then. Day 20. I like our progress. Like I said before, I don't want to go too fast, and I think this is a good pace for us. Well, specifically for me, for what I want to do. Go ahead and get everything repaired. So, I need to get some more wood. I'm going to work on that today. Probably chop down a lot of these trees right here. And then I can get some more stuff smelting. So we got most of those trees chopped down, and what I want to do now is place 2 more forges, or 2 more smelters, I've decided. Because with that, you can take a stack of ore, which is 30, and then you can completely fill, or empty that stack. So that's what I want to do. Having a little trouble placing this last one. So I'm going to break that old beehive. There we go. And then we'll place it back over here. Oh, I probably should have collected the honey in it first. Whoops. So yeah. Now I can go ahead and fill all 3 of these smelters. And then we'll triple our smelting rate. Which is going to be really nice, especially once we get iron. Because you need a lot of iron. So let's get it going. So while that's going, I just put all that in there. First, I'm going to check this. Okay, our seeds aren't ready. I'm going to go troll hunting. So I'll see you guys once I find a troll. So I'm coming up on this troll cave, and I think I've decided I actually want to fight this troll inside the cave. I'm just going to do that with my bow and arrow and just doing lots of dodges. So make sure my foods are good. I'm going to use Ichthyr so I don't use as much for sprinting. And I'm going to get into it. Should get the first shot for free. I think I might have already done that to this troll too. Unless he's healed. Well. He's just going to sit there. Oh, he's a log troll. Okay, well this is going to be harder. Just dodge. Bait him to hit again. Then run away. Can't hardly see him right now. Oh, that hurt. Alright, I'm gonna go out and heal a little bit. We almost got him in one go. While I heal, I'll just pick up some stuff in the area. Like that deer and then some of those thorns, or those thistle. Alright, so I think I'm healed enough. I'm gonna go back in there. Hopefully he's not just standing right at the door, but I am gonna be crouching when I go in. So maybe he won't see me even if he is. And he's not, so that's good. Should just be one or two more shots to finish this guy off. Oh, I didn't have my fire arrows equipped, but it didn't matter, we got him. Took him down nonetheless. And how much does that give us? 5 troll hide. Nice, so that's enough to make one piece. If we can find one more troll, then we can finish the entire set. Unless the cape is a different amount, which I'm not sure. It might be. So you can see there's actually... It's really hard to see, honestly, but... There's different... Oh. 10 coins right there. There's just different things all along the side in these troll caves. Along with the chest. I don't know why there's stone in there. It's random. But yeah. That's one troll K down. Let's see if we can't find some more trolls. Oh, and just up here I see there's a troll out here. I don't even think he's by a troll cave. I kind of want to be on pretty level ground to fight this guy. So we have a good shot here. We'll go ahead and take this one. That was probably a big hit. He's not moving yet. This is perfect. Maybe we can get him before he gets over to us. Dodge the rock. Almost didn't dodge it. Wait for some stam regen. And once again, the headshots do more damage against the trolls. There's not many... Oh, there's that bear there. We gotta stay from the bear. There's not many animals that have a weak spot, but the trolls are one of them. Down he goes. So if it's like the same with the the cave troll, it should drop us 5. And it did. Nice. So that's what I came here for. I have enough troll leather for now. So I'm going to go back and finish that set I have. And I return to this amazing sight. Look at that. All that metal on the ground. So we also had that troll hide. I wanted to go ahead and finish the set. So I think I needed a bone as well. We have plenty of bone now. So I can make the hood and the cape. Oh, the cape costs 10. So we can't make that yet. And that will be the first cape we make in the series. So that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, I guess we can go ahead and put that stuff back. And then also throw away the old helmet. So I realized we went and got that 30 fine wood. That way we can make the fermenter, and we never ended up making the fermenter. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so this is what I ended up coming up with. And this works, but it's not optimal, that's for sure. Or maybe you would consider this optimal. I don't know. But let's get our first meads made and get them fermenting. So I think I actually want to do a healing mead first, because those are awesome. So I'm going to need the honey, blueberries, raspberries, and dandelions. So 10, 5, 10, 1. And there it is. Our first mead has been crafted and is now fermenting. Let's go ahead and get some sleep. So those take, I believe it's 2 days to fully ferment. And then it'll drop 6. It should drop 6 meads. What am I doing today? I guess I need to find some more trolls, huh? And then I can also make a buckler now. Yeah, we're going to need some more metal too. I need 4 wood. So we'll grab that. Oh, there's a nice stack of 4 already in there for us. And then we'll need the rest of the bronze, and we should be able to make that buckler. Nice. So in the past, I've usually just kept my 4 slot as my pickaxe, but I'm thinking, because most of the time, your pickaxe isn't something you need to have in combat. So I'm thinking I'll just put it in my inventory, and whenever I need it, I'll just open it and then right-click it. I think that'll be good. Alright. Let's go find some more trolls. Oh, there's that bear. I don't want to get him upset. I want to try to get a backstab on him. So I am going to fight the bear. We'll get our buckler out. I'm going to try to sneak up on him and then try to get the first hit as a backstab. Which, by the way, just because it's called a backstab doesn't mean it actually has to be from the back. Oh, he sees us. I would love to be able to hit him. Okay, so I can't parry that attack. I can parry that one, though. He does the double hit, and I rolled, but I still didn't block it. We've about got him here. And there it is. Down goes the bear. And with that, we'll get new recipes. I'm not sure if I'll use any of those, but it's cool to see them. And now we know we can pretty easily take out a bear, as long as we can parry. So that's a nice. Once again, for those of you who might not remember or might not have seen it, you parry just by blocking, but only like right before they swing. So you can't parry too early, or so it'll just be a normal block. You can't parry too late because obviously you'll get hit. Let's go ahead and take this bear out too while we're at it. And that deer. Oh, he sees us. We can't parry that one. We know that. Should try to fight him on more level terrain. So we dodged that one. Parry. 3 hits. Alright, let's take on a more level terrain. This is terrible. Alright. Roll. Oh, that was a lot of health. Sorry, we should be fine as long as that doesn't happen again. Oh, I've not seen that one before. Dude, why are you on the bushes? Parry, 3 hits. Dodge roll, the double attack. And there we go. That one was a little bit more scary, but it's alright. He didn't use that bite attack in the last fight. That was weird. Oh, and I'm just now remembering, we could be making a... what is it called? A pendant of some kind. Basically what that does is if you've been fighting for long enough, then... And I mean, that's not exactly how it works, but basically if you've been fighting for long enough, then you will get a stat bonus of some kind, or some type of bonus. So if this guy doesn't have a log, I think I'll try to parry. Oh, he does have a log. So then I think that's out of the question. Make sure we have our good arrows. Oh, he sees us. Make sure not to parry too early, or roll too early. I know one of these times I'm just going to do it too early. Yeah, like that. And then we're leaving after that happens. But yeah, we've regened enough to where I'm confident enough to go back into the troll cave. So let's go ahead and do that. And try not to give our position away before we even start the fight. He's facing the other way this time too. I'm going to wait for my stamina to regen this time. Big first hit. Oh, I rolled outside. I didn't mean to do that. Well, I guess we'll go back in and maybe he won't see us. He sees us. Nice. That was close. He almost got that second swing off. One of these times we're going to go in here and it's going to be a 1-star or a 2-star troll. I don't know if 2-star trolls exist, actually. Alright, we got that 5 more troll hide. It's great. See if there's any loot on the ground around here. Oh, amber pearls, ruby, more amber pearls. Oh, we don't have any slots left. Just drop that stone and then drop some great ore pies. And we can take all. And I don't care about the stone or the bones. Oh, there's more ruby there. +1. Alright, well. We were finally able to take out a couple of bears now and a couple of troll caves. So I'm pretty happy with this journey. Go back and make our troll cape and finish the set. And as I'm running back, I think I want to have a new goal, or have a goal of making a new base for every biome that we go into. So every time we beat a boss and we have to progress to the next biome, because if you didn't know, that's how the progression in this game works. You beat a boss, and you go to the next biome. So every time we go to a new biome or have to go to a new biome, I want to make a new base. I think that'd be pretty cool. I was walking back and I found this 1-star bear. I don't think I want to try him yet. Oh, and as I'm returning, it looks like I can see some fully grown carrot seeds. Oh, and some carrots as well. Oh, our inventory's full, that's right. And now we should be able to make that troll cape, so let's do that. We'll finally get our set bonus. And while it doesn't give a lot of armor, it does give that set bonus, which is what I've really been wanting. So for only 2 troll hide per, we can get an extra 2 armor. That's pretty good. 6 troll hide would equal 6 more armor. That would give us about, almost, not quite, 30% increase. And then we can also upgrade our bow, which I think is probably #1 priority. Once we get 3 more bronze. Do we have 3 bronze? No, we don't. We're missing 10. So I guess we can go collect some more tin. I'll just get an inventory's worth of tin. For now... Oh, okay, well that's ready. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and plant all my carrots. Alright, let's go get some more tin. Alright, we were able to get about a stack. And that's going to be good enough for me for 10. We probably won't need more than that for a while. So I'm going to go back and get this stuff going and then go to sleep. Alright. Oh, and it actually went through all of the tin we put in there. That's perfect. So a little trick I wanted to try is apparently if you're trying to build in water, you can use a cart to stand in. Alright, so we need a workbench. And I'm thinking straight off in this direction because this is like straight west. So let's do that. I'm going to start with my 2 wooden floors. Very nice. I'm going to put stairs in front of them. And then from there, we can attach our log beams. Like so. And see if we can't connect that to the bottom. Okay, yeah, so that is connected to the bottom. That one isn't. Alright, let's go get in this cart. It's kind of awkward. How do you do it? Okay, well, I guess you gotta jump in from the water, or from land. So I'm gonna go all the way around here and jump in that cart. And that's gonna be the last vertical pier I place. I think I want to do a 45-degree one, maybe, depending on how it looks. And then after that, I'll just build out the wooden floors. Alright, and this is it. And like I said, it's nothing too special. I actually didn't put the railing all the way out to here, because if I'm using a cart, I want to be able to turn around in this last part. So, yeah, this is it. And let's look at what we need to make that carve. So 30 fine wood, 10 deer hide, 20 resin, and 80 bronze nails. How much of that do we have right now? Oh! Whoa! Alright, hey buddy. I was just sitting there farming my fine wood so I could make my new carve, and then this guy shows up, which is fine with me. I'm gonna use his labor. Oh, there's so many great dwarfs around here too. Dude, get out of the way! Holy. So I just want him to break this. This last little piece here. And we're good. So if you're noticing, I'm not taking damage because dodging actually gives you iframes. If you don't know what iframes are, it's just basically certain time where you can't even take damage, even if you do get physically hit. So those are really important to learn in Valheim, of how to use those dodges correctly. Very powerful. That's honestly pretty nice because I wanted to get more troll hide, but I didn't really want to go out and look for some. So I basically just got it delivered to my door. So yeah, now that we had that troll come over here, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade some of my armor. So I'm going to do... the cape will be last because it doesn't give as much. But I am going to do all of my normal armor. My normal pieces. And then, yeah, like I said, that cape is going to be way more expensive for almost no return. But that little upgrade right there basically just gave us the equivalent of another troll armor piece. So that was nice. We're sitting at 25 armor. And if you guys are wondering, these are what my skills are looking like right now. We're doing pretty okay. Nothing crazy. My sneak is getting that bonus due to the set. So yeah. That's where we're at. And I was actually just about to get to putting down my carve. So I just collected, well, had the troll collect for me the rest of what I needed in fine wood. So I'm going to go ahead and grab all of my other stuff. So we needed the fine wood, the deer hide, the 20 resin, and the 80 nails. And now we can place our carve. And I am going to point it in this direction. I'll just put it right here for now. Whoops, I damaged it a little. So yeah, this is our little carve. This is how we'll be adventuring. But we'll get to that on the next episode. I appreciate it if you guys watched all the way through, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until next time.